Most people don't realize this. Your first $50,000 in business funding is not the finish line, it's just the beginning. In this video, I'm breaking down a tactical strategy that I use to turn my first $50,000 into $250,000 in approved business credit within 12 months. So this isn't theory. This is the same process that we also teach our clients to unlock real leverage and scale fast, step by step. So stick around to the end and let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more videos going over tactical funding strategies like this. And you might want to take notes on this one. So step one is building banking relationships. So you take your first $50K and use it to strategically build out 4 new banking relationships. An example of this can be using $40,000 and splitting it 4 times. So this will be 4 banks where you deposit $10,000 into each. And you can do this under your current business, another business that you own, or even with a business partner who also has great credit. You want to use the funds to establish deposits and maybe even open secured business lines as well. As you know, secured business lines can eventually turn into unsecured business credit lines. So you're not spending the money, you're leveraging it to build trust across multiple banks. Step 2 is you want to wait 90 days. That's the magic window. Banks want to see a seasoned relationship. And so once you've built that trust with them, then you apply. But not just once. You rinse and repeat this exact process 4 times within a 12-month period. So every 90 days. Each quarter, you're planting new seeds and watching new funding grow. Step 3 is repay and request credit limit increases. Now, here's what you don't want to miss. Once your funding stack starts growing, circle back to that original $50K card that you used in the very beginning. Pay it down by putting the funds right back on it, then ask for a credit limit increase. Lenders will always reward responsible usage. This will grow the limit of that initial credit line and open the door to even more approvals. Now, let's say that you follow this strategy exactly, building 4 new banking relationships per quarter. That would result in 16 banking relationships that are built within a 12-month period. And even if each bank only gives you $15,000 in funding and nothing more, that's $240K in total approvals. And that's on the conservative side. Some banks will give you $50,000 or even $100,000. But now imagine this. You replicate this exact strategy with 3 other like-minded entrepreneurs who also have strong credit. Now, you're not just building funding, you're creating a network that gives you access to over $1 million in capital as a group. The truth is that money is infinite. It's created by banks through issuing credit. What separates successful entrepreneurs is simple. They know how to access it and how to multiply it. And here's one more power move that most people miss. Go after banks that give you multiple products with just one hard inquiry. Some of these banks let you get a business credit card and a line of credit just from one pull. And even better, some banks will let you even get the same business credit product across multiple entities. That means if you have more than one LLC, you're stacking approvals with every application. And after this is completed, all the hard inquiries can be removed and you can repeat the process again. As capitalists, we are raising capital to deploy into opportunities at all times. My rule of thumb is to always access new capital, even if you don't need it yet, because by the time you need it, it's too late. And as my final tip, I want you guys to know the limit. So a quick rule of thumb is that there are a lot of banks out there that will give you up to $50K on a business credit card with stated income, meaning that you won't need to show any financials proving how much revenue or profit that your business generates. Whereas some can even go as high as $100K, especially once you prove your business is low risk and you have an existing banking relationship. So if you use your first $50,000 like most people, you'll end up burning it on ads, expenses, or equipment. But if you use it the way we teach our clients here at JSN Funding Solutions, you'll turn it into a system that produces more funding on autopilot. And this is how you get ahead and how you build real leverage. So now that you have the strategy, let's get you approved. So if you want a custom funding game plan, click the link below and we'll map it out for you step by step. Let's unlock your first $250K in business credit. With that being said, my name is Jalil Nash, founder of JSN Funding Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.